Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to hide videos you've liked from appearing on your profile. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So first thing you want to do is navigate over directly to your TikTok profile page. If you're unsure of how to get to this page, just select the profile button at the bottom right, and then proceed to select the hamburger icon at the top right, left click on it, and then select Settings and Privacy. Underneath Account, you want to select the Privacy button, and now scroll down underneath Liked Videos, left click on that, and where it says Who can watch your liked videos, you can select where it says Only You. That means it will hide it from everyone else, and then just click on the X to close out of there, and that is all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.